feed those things. Popcorn chicken!
Shut up! Where?
Popcorn chicken!
Thought you said there's one.
Yeah, there's one over there. Somewhere under the tree. Look, there's one right there. And another one. And another one.
I don't know what these are.
They're birds.
I know they're birds, but I don't pay attention in my biology class, so I don't know enough to know what these things are.
The popcorn chicken. That's what he's saying. Popcorn chicken. The heck? But I'm feeding the thing. Okay, never mind. I'm not feeding it. Oh, I found it. Right there. Like 4. I found the ghost ostrich.
There's only 2.
Yep, wow. I saw some over there.
They're the same one.
Let's just see that. Let's go.
If you get hurt, it's not my fault.
It's your fault. Wow. I think there's 3. Goya, there's 3 ostriches. Goya went off. He's going around. Wait, what? There. What the? He went there. I can see him.
Do you hear the beeps? Hey, how come that one's just going off?
Because I don't care about my family. I'm cold. Where are they going?
They're going around so they can just go scare the things off.
And get hurt.
Probably. Look, they're going away now.
It's not going to be our fault. It's going to be their fault.
Alex, it's the same thing. Except with the iPhone, it's harder to see because it's a camera. Nope, I can't see. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. There's a whole group of them.
Oh, see, I told you. What the?
There's like 6.
5, 6. Oh yeah, wait.
What did you just say?
3, 5. No, there's 3, 4.
There's so many of them. They're all over there.
There's 4. We see you. We see you. You're not invisible.
They're not ostriches. I can tell you that.
Life would be a ugly place.
If you go in,
you're gonna get hurt.
told you. Oh, there they are. Over there.